Chapter 20A, Exercise 20A, question number 11. The length and the breadth of a rectangle are 36 and 28. Length of rectangle 36 centimeter. Then breadth of rectangle equals to 28 centimeter. Now it is given if the perimeter of rectangle is equals to perimeter of square. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to perimeter of square. Find the side of a square. So first we are having rectangle, so we will find perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, as you know, 2 in bracket L plus B. So 2 into L plus B. L is your length 36, breadth 28. So 2 into 36 plus 28, 64. Then 2 into 64, 128. So perimeter of rectangle is 128 centimeter. Now as per condition, according to question, perimeter of rectangle equals to perimeter of square, which is given in question. So as you know, perimeter of rectangle that we have calculated now is 128 equals to perimeter of square 4 into side. So now we want to know the value of side. So for that we will transpose this 4 to the left hand side. So 128 divided by 4 equals to side. Side equals to 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8. Value of side 32 centimeter. Now side that we have to find, so this is your required answer. Then question number 12. The radius of circle. The radius of circle is 21 centimeter. Find circumference. So take pi 3 1 by 7. So first solve this. 3 7 ja 21 plus 1 22. 22 by 7. That means we have to use 22 by 7 in place of pi. So the circumference that we have to find, as you know, circumference C equals to 2 into pi into r. So 2 will be 2, pi 22 by 7 that we have to use into r. R stands for radius, which is 21. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. So 22 into 3, 66 into 2, 132. So your circumference is 132. This is your required answer. Then question number 13. Circumference of circle 440 centimeter. So simply same formula you will use. Circumference equals to 2 into pi into r. Circumference is given to you. 440 equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Radius you have to find in this question. So transpose these two values to the left hand side. Solve, you will get radius. Okay. So like this you have to solve question number 13. Then question number 14. The diameter of circular field is 56. So diameter of circular field 28 centimeter. Sorry, 56 centimeter. Now if diameter is 56, so radius of that circular field will be half of diameter. So half of 56, 28. Now find the circumference. So the same formula you have to use. Circumference equals to 2 into pi into r. So 2 into pi 22 by 7 into r 28. 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28. Then 22 into 4, 88, 88 into 2, 176. So circumference is 176 centimeter. Now the cost of fencing at the rate of cost of fencing that we have to find. So cost is given rupee 80 per meter. Okay, so simply cost of fencing equals to circumference, which is 176, into cost per meter, which is 80. So multiply 176 and 80, you will get your answer. So rupees 14,080, rupees 14,080 is the required cost for the fencing. Clear? Then question number 15. The radii of two circles are 20 and 13. Find the difference between their circumferences. So two cases you are having here. The first radii R1 20 centimeter, then second R2 13 centimeter. Now find the difference between their circumferences. So first find circumference first, C1 equals to 2 into pi into R1. Then find the circumference 2 for the second circle, 2 into pi into R2. Now substitute values here, 2 into 22 by 7 into 20, 2 into 22 by 7 into 13. Now solve this and this. Then whatever you getting from here answer, just subtract this value. Okay, so final answer you will get. So like this you have to solve question number 15. Then question number 16. Diameter is given to you, diameter of circle is given to you, find its perimeter. Perimeter of circle is nothing but circumference of that circle. Okay, so if perimeter is given to you, you can find circumference. For finding circumference only you need radius, so 2 pi r. Diameter is 42, so radius is 21. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. 7 1 ja, clear? Then 7 3 ja. 22 into 3 66, 66 into 2 132. So 132 is a centimeter is required perimeter. Then now the perimeter of circle is doubled. Perimeter of circle is doubled. So according to question, the perimeter of circle is 132, now which is doubled. Doubled means what? 264. So 132 into 2 equals to, find the radius. So 2 into pi into r. Now 132 into 2 equals to 2 into 22 by 7. Radius that we have to find, so it will be r. Now transpose this values to the left hand side. So r equals to 132 into 2 on 7. On this side 7 is on denominator, so simply 7 will go on numerator. 7 यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो रहा है तो वहाँ इंटू होगा. ये दोनों ऊपर है, यहाँ पे नीचे आ जाएंगे. This 2 get cancelled. Then 22 1 ja, then 22 6 ja. So finally r equals to 6 7 ja 42. So the new radius is 42 centimeter if we will double the perimeter. Clear? Then